looking to make a crown just like this, stay tuned.
When dreaming of my wedding, I knew that I wanted a statement flower crown that I could dry and make into a keepsake. But what if I spend all this money to only have it die if I incorrectly store it? Why not make something that could not only be saved, but can be reworn over time? Then it hit me. The answer to all my questions were artificial flowers. So I quickly began my search for quality flowers that would store well and be the right size for the crown. This is how I found Lings Moment. This is not a sponsored video. Lings Moment offers multiple color collections that are available from boutonnieres to ceremony decor. They also sell pre-made bouquets for brides. I highly recommend you check them out on their website, as I'm highly satisfied with my purchase. You can also find great deals on artificial flowers at many big box stores. First, let's gather our supplies. You're gonna need side cutters, floral tape, floral wire, flowers and additional elements, good music, zip ties, hot glue gun, which is optional, and lots of patience. When picking your flowers, have your design in mind. You don't want to weigh down the crown, making it unbearable to wear, but not light enough for it to fly away. Flowers that are smaller than the palm of your hand are perfect for this project. Don't overthink it. You can of course make this much bigger or more delicate. It's all about what you want. Once I received my order, I started the prep work. This consists of taking everything out of the box, inspecting for blemishes such as residual glue, and straightening out stems as you organize them. I wanted lots of greenery in mind, so I cut each piece into 1.5 to 2-inch sections, trimming off folded leaves. If you prep items beforehand, this will make the process much more efficient.
Alright, so what I'm going to do to make the base of this crown is I'm going to take 2 of these heavy stem wire and I'm going to twist it. Then once you get to the end, you're going to go ahead and join these 2 together. And for my head, it seems like we're going to need 1 more. And again, 2 more stems. I like to start them at an X at the top and just twist. So once we have all that done, you're going to have the rough sketch of what you're going to have. You want it to sit comfortably on your head because it's going to have all this weight on it. And it's going to be pretty decent sized. So let's go to the next step. So you're going to take your floral tape. You're just going to slightly stretch it with your fingers. This will activate the adhesive. You're just going to start here. Wrap it over. And you go around each time. Just take your fingers, just slightly pull. If you pull too hard, it will tear. You just keep going until you go absolutely insane.
If you are enjoying this video, give a like and subscribe, and comment down below if you prefer fresh or artificial flowers.
And we have most of it wrapped. Alright, so this is going to be the first flower I'm going to work with. I'm going to get some greenery. So once the first flower cluster is done, I'm going to go ahead and take the same wire that we used for the initial crown and wrap the stem, connecting it to the crown. Now for each thing you put on, I like to add 2 wraps. To make sure we are all tight. Alright, we're about 3/4 of the way done, and this is how it looks so far. I'm not sure what part we're gonna make the front, but we'll figure it out afterwards, or if we want to do it the other way. I can't really see it from this far. There's a giant spider, but I think it looks great. I know I want to go back and fill in some more of these white little flowers, but we got plenty. So I'm gonna speed through this last part, and then we'll get to the details.
I had so much fun with this project, and I never knew that making this flower crown would be so much fun. It was a learning curve for sure. I absolutely loved the way it turned out, and I can't wait to make another and improve my skills. Stay tuned for next week when I make a massive flower bouquet.